students, let's try to understand octet rule. Define octet rule, write its significant. Each atom share electrons with neighboring atoms to achieve total 8 valence electron. Each atom shared electron with the neighboring atoms to achieve 8 valence electron. That is what is called octet. It may be noted that for helium, stable configuration means 2 electrons in the 1s orbital, that is duplet electron. Octet rule helps to explain why different atoms combine with each other to form ionic compound or the covalent compound. Now the question here arising, how is the formation of ionic or covalent or metallic bond linked to electropositive or electronegative atom of involved atoms? Second one, what type of bonding would you expect between the a metal and non-metal, a metal and another metal, a metal with another non-metal, a non-metal with another non-metal? So atoms may attain noble electronic configuration by 3 different ways. So what are the 3 different ways? That is by losing electron, by gaining electron, by sharing electron. These are the 3. Okay. Thus we can divide element into 3 categories: electropositive elements whose atom give up 1 or more electron fairly readily. That is what is ionic bond. Ionic bond is like someone who give a gift but does not get one back. That is the ionic bond. Electronegative element which will accept electron. Elements which have little tendency to lose or gain electron. Okay, so that is here you see student, here someone can have my elements. I think I will go take some elements always from that atoms. Here I am, me and my electrons. They are pictorial representation they are giving a student, but not that much of the helpful. Here you see 3 different types of bond may be formed depending on the electropositive, electronegative character of the atom. So first one is ionic bond, and electropositive, one is electropositive and second one metal is electronegative. So ionic bond, then it is going to be covalent bond, and the last one is metallic bond. Okay, so this is what the example. Give example of ionic compound which has also a small amount of the covalent character. Lithium LiCl considered to be the ionic compound, but it is soluble in alcohol, which suggests that it also possesses a small amount of covalent character. Why are the elements in the outermost valence shell the only one that will directly involve in the bond formation? The outermost electron are farthest from the nucleus and are thus easier to remove from the atoms because the lesser energy by which they are bound. The outermost electron are closest to any foreign atom which may approach and thus are the first to be attached to another atom. Valence electrons are like money, they are always being exchanged.